Hello guys. So in this video we will see that how users will be able to save a particular dashboard layout as a template, and in case of any need they can again restore the same template which they had previously saved. Okay, so over here I will go with this BI dashboard module. Okay, and let's go over here to the template 5. Let's go with template 4. Okay, all right, now you will be able to see by clicking here, you will be able to see save template option is available. So I'm just saving this template. Okay, and I'm just giving the name, let's say um, final changes. Okay, and we'll click on save. So you can see template is saved successfully. All right, now I am doing different kinds of the changes. Let's say edit layout, and I will edit this particular layout. I will just change the size. I will do different kind of the changes. Let's say like this, I will set this layout over here. I will do different changes. Okay, so let's click on save. Okay, now if I want the same layout design which I saved as a template previously, then how can I like reverse it? So for that you will simply have to go over here, and then you can see restore template. Now the system will show your previously saved template with the name and with a particular date, on which date you had saved this particular template. Okay, so you have to just click on it and click on restore button. All right, so now template is restored successfully, and after restoring the template, whenever a page will be get refreshed, you will be able to see your previous changes which for which you had previously saved the respected template. All right, so like this you will be able to save a particular dashboard layout in a template, and in case of any kind of need, or in case of by mistaken you have misplaced different layouts, dashboard layouts, so you will be able to restore that particular template and can come on the previous version of the dashboard on the dashboard layout. All right, so like this you will be able to use this template functionality and restore template functionality. So that's it about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day guys. Bye, take care.